Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Marella Vie. For our project today, we will be making an easy homemade air freshener. This air freshener will make any room in your house smelling sweet and pleasant. As you can see, this project does not only smell good, it also looks cute and colorful that you can use it as a table decor to brighten up any table or shelf in your home. So, if you want to know how this is made, just keep on watching. The materials that we need for this project are 250 ml water, a wide mouth glass bottle, a sachet of fabric conditioner with perfume, water beads or crystal balls, 2 packets, a plastic spoon for mixing, a container, scissors, ribbons, a scrap cloth, and rubber bands. Now we can start. Open your sachet and place the contents in a container. Make sure all the contents are emptied into your container. Add the 250 ml of water and mix well. When that's done, place the crystal balls. For this project, I used 2 packs. There goes the crystal balls. Leave this mixture for about 4 to 5 hours. Then we will wait. While waiting, we will make the cover for our bottle. By the way, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button and the bell so that you would be notified of my new uploads. Also, press like and you can comment and share this video. Make sure that the size of the circular cloth you have made is wider or bigger, an inch bigger. After 4 hours, this is how your water beads will look like. It has already absorbed much of the liquid that we have mixed earlier. Each water bead will absorb 400 times its size. So you can see it has enlarged very much. Next, we will strain to separate the liquid from the water beads. important reminder for you. If you have small children in your house, keep it out of their reach since they may think that these beads are candies since it is colorful and smells so good. So to avoid any accidents, better keep it away from their reach. Place all the crystal balls in your jar. Cover the mouth of your jar with your circular cloth and secure with a rubber band. You can tie now the ribbon to add color and beauty to your jar. Our project is already done. It's ready for use. You can now place it in any table as a decor and a freshener to make your home smell beautiful and pleasant. Enjoy a beautiful scented room. Thank you for watching. See you in my next videos. Bye-bye.